Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn about SOP 7, that is image mapping using client-side image map. So basically image map is used to connect links to different regions on the web page, and image map is created by marking certain region on an image clickable. These clickable regions are called as a hotspot. So image map are two types, client-side and server-side image map. But here we are using client-side image mapping. Okay, so according to the question, okay, we need to use one image. Okay, then uh, in any type of jpg, png or gif, whatever it be. Okay, then we create three different shapes like rectangle, circle and polygon, and basically which it does not overlap. And the most important part, note the coordinates making use of ms paint, jmp, okay, whatever it be. Okay, so आप इसमें से कुछ भी एक use कर सकते हैं. Basically I prefer with the ms paint. Okay, then each shape should be mapped or navigate with different urls, and that should navigate to a local web page. So basically you need to use that image twice. Okay, first you need to insert that image in your existing program for mapping it, or for giving a reference to that image, and second time you need to open that image, open with ms paint, for giving or for using the shapes. But don't forget that when you draw that shapes on the specific image in ms paint, okay, after taking coordinates perfectly, don't save that ms paint document. You just need to close it, don't save it. Okay, otherwise it comes with a mapping image while you're executing it. Okay, so now we start with the program. Okay, after the body tag we are specifying an h1 tag, an example of image map, and here we are inserting image source. Okay, and giving height and width. Then we are using use map. Okay, so here we are using use map. Okay, so basically it has only an attribute name, and use map specify name of the image used for a client side image map, and the value of the name attribute is a value specified in a use map of the image. Okay, so image, we are using use map, image map, and alternate text image of a tulip. So while you are using alternate text, it specify extra information about clickable area, and it is the alternative text to the clickable region. Okay, for that purpose we are using alternate text. Then we are specifying map name. Just now I am giving you information about why we are using map name. Okay, so next time we are inserting or we are specifying hyperreferences. So first we are taking shape of rectangle. Okay, and specifically we are giving this HRE rectangle for the hyperreference of google.com. Okay, and generally whenever you are taking chords of rectangle, so specifying upper left and lower right, you should have to take that coordinates. Okay, and then you are giving alternate text, google site and all. Now we are taking second shape, that is a circle. Okay, in circle you need to take a middle point and radius of that specific circle. Okay, then you are taking polygon. In polygon, each and every angle you should have to take a coordinates of that specific angles. Okay, close map tag here. Yes, then close body tag and close html. So this is your image mapping. So while I'm executing this image, okay, for good execution, you will just press tab key. Okay, while you are pressing the tab key, whatever images, whatever shapes you are mapping in images, it get shown into the mapping image. It gets shown into the image just like this one only. And while your cursor move on that specific area, cursor get changed into hand cursor. You just click on, means it get change into hand cursor, means for that area is a hotspot. Or so whatever hyper reference you are providing for that shape, it get executed in front of you. Okay, my dear students, so here I am just giving information about how to download a jpg image and save that image in your existing folder where you save your program. Then open the image, right click on the image and select open with internet explorer. So this is the process how to insert image and how to insert image for the for taking coordinates or draw the shapes for in ms paint. Okay, all these things are given here. Okay, so this is your shapes. Okay, in this shapes I mentioned for rectangle, upper left and lower right, for circle, radius and center point, and for polygon, each and every angle. So this is your image mapping example. Okay, now screenshot time. Okay, now this is your second page. I hope you understand very well. Bye bye.